Assessing the impact on partner organizations. Welcome participants to Part 4 of Module 3, Impact Assessment. In this module, we will provide a comprehensive explanation of how to assess the impact of your project on partner organizations. There are 4 main learning objectives in this part of the module. 1. Explaining who are the partner organizations in your project. 2. Defining key tools to assess the impact on these partner organizations. 3. Explaining how these tools can be used to assess the impact of your project. And 4. Providing examples to clarify the meanings of these terms and tools. Who are the partner organizations in a project? The partner organizations can be any type of organizations who are either connected to or benefits from the project. Often they benefit from the project's either process or outcome. Partner organizations can be any type of organization, including industrial partners, NGOs and grassroots organizations, but can also be public instances such as municipalities and governments. The Impact Plus tool. The second cube of the Impact Plus tool is partner organizations, as marked on the screen. When focusing on the partner organizations cube of the tool, we follow the 3 stages to fill it out. We will explore the outcomes in the next couple of slides and add to these by identifying indicators, baselines, and targets. The collection of data will be explored in Part 7 of this module. Outcomes for partner organizations. We start with stage 1 of the Impact Plus tool and look at outcomes for partner organizations. These outcomes would focus on how they could benefit their own agenda within their organization, either agendas or visions. Examples of outcomes for partner organizations could be if an organization wants to promote green energy, if an organization would want to create a more efficient communication network, if they wanted to create more satisfaction with their courses, or perhaps if the organization wanted to develop a new tool for analyzing healthcare levels. In other words, these are the organization's own agendas that would be improved by your project. Indicators for partner organizations. Indicators for partner organizations are quantifiable measures which can indicate if the project is progressing as planned. Examples of these indicators could be to increase certification of organization staff in green energy. Another example could be to decrease the time that the organization spends on applications due to an improved communication network. It could be increased or improved ratings of a course that the organization offers, or it could be to improve the efficiency level of a healthcare analysis tool. Baselines for partner organizations. The baselines for these indicators that we just went through for partner organizations would be the current performance level of the chosen indicators that we just went through, where progress of the project can be measured against. Examples of baselines could be the current number of employees with certificates in green energy. It could be the current time that the organization spent on a project application on average, or it could be the current ranking of a course content. It could also be the current efficiency of the healthcare analysis tool. Targets for partner organizations. Targets for partner organizations are the specific aspects the project aims to improve during implementation. Examples of targets for partner organizations could be to increase the number of employees with certificates by, for example, 10 people. It could be to decrease the application time on average by 20%, or to increase the ratings of their courses to a clearly above average level. It could also be to improve the efficiency of their analysis tool by 10%. Impact on partner organizations. After using the above terms to detail the different outcomes for partner organizations, these outcomes can be evaluated through stage 2 of the Impact Plus tool. However, by using the additional terms that we went through earlier in this module as a supplement to the terms within the Impact Plus tool, it will make it easier for you to understand the details of your project. Using these additional terms, it will also be easier to evaluate and rank the different outcomes. After ranking the different outcomes, the entire cube of partner organizations is then ranked in comparison to the other 3 cubes by using a 1 to 5 scale from low to high impact. In other words, first, the outcomes within the cube are evaluated against each other, and afterwards the entire cube is evaluated and ranked compared to the other 3 to determine which cube is the most important and will create the highest impact.